As video becomes an increasingly important tool for communication and productivity, organizations face a challenge to manage, store, and stream large numbers of massive video files across their networks, without negatively impacting bandwidth. To solve this challenge, VIDIZMO, a Gartner-recognized enterprise video content management, offers the EnterpriseTube, that provides organizations a secure, powerful, and easy-to-use, branded enterprise video streaming platform that empowers departments across organizations to independently store, encode, manage, and share video, as well as other digital media content, to both internal and external audience. You can add your own styling to various aspects of the application's design through custom CSS. This overrides the default interface settings of the portal. You can also choose the language you wish to set for the portal from VIDIZMO's multiple language functionality. Additionally, VIDIZMO integrates with a number of applications, so you can connect your video platform to the existing systems. In case you are located in a region with data privacy laws, such as GDPR, in the European Union, VIDIZMO empowers you to restrict your data within your country's borders, states, and provides country-specific data compliance. In VIDIZMO, security policy of each portal is customizable, so you can control who can access your portal and watch the uploaded content. VIDIZMO offers robust authentication and authorization processes to ensure the highest level of security. Authentication ensures that only recognized users are allowed access, while authorization grants permitted access controls to authenticated user. You can add users to your portal and assign them permissions that determine their rights to perform certain actions in your portal. VIDIZMO makes it easy to centralize and manage all your video files. You can assign a title, description, tags, and other metadata to enhance search and discovery. You can assign a category to your media to classify your content based on shared characteristics. You can increase your media's visibility and make it easier to search by assigning custom attributes to it. You can make the media available for a specific time period, and can share it with specific viewers, groups, and with external viewers by sending them a link to the media. VIDIZMO makes your video interactive with its studio space, where you can insert quiz to conduct knowledge checks, survey to collect feedback, and handout to enhance understanding at any timestamp, and that's not all. VIDIZMO integrates with HubSpot or any other CRM to enable lead generation. VIDIZMO's multifaceted search is the most comprehensive way to search the content inside your video library. You can search the content easily by entering any of these relevant details of the video, such as title, tags, categories, custom attributes, spoken words. You can search for any spoken word inside the video through transcription pane. This helps you to fast forward to the exact moment in the video. VIDIZMO's artificial intelligence detects facial features of the people present in the video and display at the side of the video. VIDIZMO offers a centralized portal with data-driven insights, so you can analyze how your videos are being consumed, the performance of your videos, and the user's engagement on videos. VIDIZMO offers multi-tenancy, allowing all departments, or divisions, in your organization to have complete autonomy over all aspects, and all of that under one license agreement. VIDIZMO grants all the above-mentioned autonomous capabilities for individually managing for each portal. With live streaming rapidly becoming the most consumed form of video, more and more organizations are using live video streaming as a reliable way to reach their audiences. Through native integration with multiple streaming engines, VIDIZMO offers flexible, inexpensive, and reliable live streaming. To make your live streaming interactive, VIDIZMO provides an interactive pane that allows you to add interactive media such as handouts to provide supporting material, quizzes to conduct knowledge checks, and surveys to collect feedback from the audience at any point during the live stream. Viewers can engage and interact with one another through live chat and Q&As during the live stream. VIDIZMO provides the option for secure content storage, either on premises, on VIDIZMO Cloud, or on any customer-owned cloud. However, VIDIZMO offers the organizations and enterprises the opportunity to leverage public cloud providers such as AWS GovCloud US. Deploying an AWS GovCloud US helps customers meet compliance, safeguards sensitive data, strengthens identity management, improves cloud visibility, and protects accounts and workloads. Additionally, APN consulting partners can benefit from Consulting Partner Private Offers (CPPO). This feature will allow independent software vendors (ISVs) to authorize consulting partners to own and maintain the financial and contractual relationship with customers in AWS Marketplace. Consulting partners can use the authorization to customize pricing, duration, end-user license terms, and additional services they may wish to include. If you are looking to explore what value VIDIZMO EnterpriseTube could create for your organization, or if you are ready to see how easy it can be to manage and share all your video content, you can set up a free trial from AWS Marketplace or request a free trial in VIDIZMO's cloud. Stay tuned until next time.